Welcome to today's deep dive into MicroStrategy's highly anticipated earnings report. As the company prepares to release its latest financial data, investors and analysts are watching closely to assess its performance and future trajectory. In this video, we will break down MicroStrategy's expected earnings, its stock price movement, recent insider trading activity, and what Wall Street analysts are saying about the company. If you're an investor or just curious about MicroStrategy's standing in the tech and finance world, stay tuned as we analyze the details. MicroStrategy, a company listed on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol Mstr, is scheduled to announce its quarterly earnings after the market closes on Wednesday, February 5th. Analysts have projected that the company will report earnings of approximately 13 cents per share, accompanied by a revenue figure of $122.73 million for the quarter. These numbers indicate market expectations for the company's financial performance, and any significant deviations could impact stock prices in the short term. Earnings reports are crucial for investors as they provide insight into a company's profitability, growth potential, and overall financial health. If MicroStrategy exceeds expectations, the stock could see a positive movement, while a miss on earnings or revenue might lead to a decline. We'll keep an eye on key metrics such as revenue growth, net income, and profit margins to understand how the company is performing in relation to previous quarters. As of the most recent trading session on Monday, MicroStrategy's stock price increased by $12.30, reaching $347.09. This movement represents a positive trend, and it will be interesting to see how the earnings report affects the stock's trajectory moving forward. Currently, MicroStrategy's trading volume stands at 18,139,582 shares, which is slightly below its average volume of 19,107,430 shares. Higher trading volume can indicate increased investor interest and speculation, especially around earnings announcements. A deeper look into the company's moving averages provides additional insight into its stock performance. The 50-day moving average is $359.82. The 200-day moving average is $250.87. These figures suggest that, despite fluctuations, MicroStrategy's stock has seen significant growth over the long term. The company's market capitalization currently stands at $83.18 billion, positioning it as a major player in the industry. However, some financial ratios raise questions about the stock's valuation. The price-to-earnings PE ratio stands at -164.73, indicating that the company is not currently profitable. Additionally, the stock has a beta value of 3.25, meaning it is significantly more volatile than the broader market. Investors should be prepared for potential price swings, especially around earnings announcements. Beyond stock price movements, it's essential to consider MicroStrategy's overall financial health. Here are some key indicators. Debt-to-equity ratio, 1.12. This suggests that the company has a moderate level of debt relative to its equity. Quick ratio, 0.65. This measures the company's ability to cover its short-term liabilities with its liquid assets. A ratio below 1 indicates potential liquidity challenges. Current ratio, 0.65, similar to the quick ratio. This metric suggests that the company may face difficulties in meeting short-term obligations. These financial ratios indicate that while MicroStrategy has experienced significant growth, it also carries risks, particularly in terms of liquidity and profitability. Insider transactions can provide valuable clues about how executives feel about the company's future. Recently, there have been some notable insider sales within MicroStrategy. Chief Accounting Officer Gene Montgomery sold 752 shares on November 14th at an average price of $322.45, amounting to $240,482.40. Following this transaction, Montgomery now holds 6,418 shares in the company, valued at approximately $2,069,484.10. This trade represents a 10.49% decrease in her ownership stake. Chief Financial Officer Andrew Kang sold 5,700 shares on November 6th at an average price of $257.15, totaling $1,465,755. After the sale, Kang now directly owns 12,080 shares, valued at roughly $3,116,372. This sale represents a more significant 32.06% reduction in his holdings. In the past 90 days, insiders have sold a total of 102K shares worth $32,259,177. This suggests that company executives may be cashing in on stock gains, possibly due to concerns about future performance or personal financial planning. Investors often monitor insider trading because large sales by executives can indicate a lack of confidence in the stock's future growth. However, insider selling isn't always a negative signal. It can also be a routine part of compensation strategies. Wall Street analysts have been actively weighing in on MicroStrategy, with various firms providing their outlook on the stock. Here's what some experts have said. Mizuho initiated coverage on MicroStrategy with an outperform rating and a price target of $515. TD Cowen raised their price target from $392 to $525, maintaining a buy rating. Compass Point upgraded MicroStrategy to a strong buy. Barclays increased its price target from $275 to $515, giving the company an overweight rating. Maxim Group lifted its price target from $193 to $270, maintaining a buy rating. Overall, the sentiment among analysts remains positive, with one analyst issuing a sell rating, 9 analysts recommending a buy, and 1 analyst giving a strong buy rating. According to MarketBeat data, the consensus rating for the stock is moderate buy, with an average target price of $483.22. To wrap things up, MicroStrategy's upcoming earnings report will be a crucial moment for investors. With expectations set at 13 cents earnings per share and $122.73 million in revenue, any deviation from these numbers could influence stock movements significantly. While the company has experienced strong growth, financial indicators and insider trading activity raise some concerns. Wall Street analysts remain largely bullish on the stock, with price targets suggesting significant upside potential. However, given the stock's volatility and high beta, investors should be prepared for potential fluctuations post-earnings. What do you think about MicroStrategy's upcoming earnings report? Will the company meet expectations, or are we in for a surprise? Share your thoughts in the comments below. As always, please remember that this is not financial or investment advice. Our goal is to provide you with valuable insights and information for educational and entertainment purposes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day.